faux closure piece that I made. I had to redo it because it was not done correctly. Well, it was, I don't know, I just had to redo it because it was kind of like coming apart. So I'll show you what I did. I recorded how I fixed it, and this is where we are now with the closure. Voila. Okay, so I'm gonna do an install, and this is the same hair, the True Indian Remy Ripple Deep by Janet Collect, 16 inches in one beat. I'm going to be straightening it and curling it. I've straightened it once already, but I didn't record it, and since my faux closure piece was not working out, and plus it kept sliding, so I had to redo my braids, and I used some black and gold to do the outer perimeter. I reinforced it. There's my closure. And, oh, and someone asked me a question on my last video, can you put this closure anywhere? You know, how would it look in the middle? That's how it would look in the middle. That's how it would look on this side. It doesn't matter where you put it. And you know, if you know how to make a 3/4 wig, then you know that it's adjustable to any way that you want to put it. So if you want to put it in the middle, that would be fine. You can place it wherever you like to place it. I'm going to place it here because that's where I want mine. So what I'm thinking about doing, maybe putting a scrunchie or something here.
Mom's had yogurt.
Yes.
Thanks.
So I'm going to do it like this so I won't have any hair in the way when I try to sew it on.